Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this session, we're gonna see what are the subjects CA Foundation course consists of and what will be the duration for a person to complete CA if one opts CA Foundation route. So yes, CA Foundation course consists of 4 papers. Paper 1 is Principles and Practices of Accounting. Paper 2, Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning and Statistics. Paper 3, Mercantile Law and General English. Paper 4, Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge. So in this, Paper 1, that is Principles and Practices of Accounting, and Paper 3, Mercantile Law and General English, are subjective papers. Subjective papers are nothing but they are descriptive papers that you need to write in a detailed format. Paper 2 and 4, that is Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning and Statistics, and Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge. These 2 papers are objective type papers that is you will be given a OMR sheet. So it's a kind of MCQ questions. Okay, choices will be there and negative markings will be there. So for every wrong answer, minus 0.25 will be deducted. So in this, in a detailed format to see, Paper 2, that is Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics, comprises of 2 parts. That is, first part is Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning. It will be allotted for 60 marks and part 2 Statistics will be given questions for 40 marks. The next Mercantile Law and General English consists of 2 parts. Part 1 is Mercantile Law, that is for 60 marks, and part 2 General English is for 40 marks. Similarly, Paper 4, Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge, comprises of 2 parts. Part 1 Business Economics and Part 2 Business and Commercial Knowledge. Part 1 for 60 marks and Part 2 for 40 marks. Generally, as per ICA rule, you need to get 40 marks in each of the subject in order to pass each of the subject, as well as you need to score 50% as a whole, that is in aggregate, in order to clear the whole level. Okay, like for a foundation course, each paper is for 100 marks. So totally 400 marks. So in this, you need to score 40 marks in each of the paper in order to clear each of the papers. As well as you need to score 50% of the overall. That is, you have to score 200 plus in order to clear the whole foundation course. Okay. Okay, let's take an example. Suppose in this figure you are in 11th or 12th standard. So as already said in the first video, you could appear for CA exams after clearing 12th exam, but you could register it even after clearing 10th exam. In the usual course of time, you'll be appearing in 12th exam in March, right? So after that, the May attempt will be there. So you could appear for CA foundation exams in May of that year. So after 1 year period, you could appear in intermediate exams, CA intermediate exams. So soon after that, you have to complete 2 small courses called as ITT and orientation course. This I'll be posting with the upcoming video in a detailed format what the course is about. Soon after its completion, you have to join articleship period. Okay, articleship period is nothing but 3-year period where you'll be working under an auditor. So before completion of 6 months, last 3 years, for 6 months before completion of that third year, you are eligible to apply for CA final exam and you can appear in the CA final exams. So approximately, if you could clear in the very first attempt in each of these exams, you'll be a chartered accountant in the end of 4 or 4.5 years. Like ITT and orientation, that's been already said that you need to complete soon after CA intermediate exams. A similar kind of course in an advanced format will be there, which you need to complete before appearing in CA final exam. This too, a detailed session will be there in further videos that will be posted. So yes, a person could of course clear CA foundation course in the very first attempt with sure hard work and effort. And even if one couldn't clear it in the very first attempt, don't worry. You could clear in the next attempt that you're going to appear. Don't ever give up and don't come to a mindset that once you've failed, you will complete BCom or a graduation and then straight away we can go to CA intermediate. It's not a better option. You can just give another attempt and you could surely clear it. if you are going to take BCom graduation and things, next 3 years you gonna just forgo. So you need not opt for such an option. You can of course join a regular degree. At the same time, you can give for CA Foundation exams that will be conducted every 6 months. So never ever give up. Be with dedication and hard work. As said already, with smart work you could achieve and be a chartered accountant soon. Thank you.